Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. All right, so this is going to be quick, but I'm trusting it's going to be a very impactful video. It's Vlogmas Day 10, and I hope you have been participating in the challenge. If you don't know what Vlogmas is, let me try it to life. Vlogmas is what YouTube creators get to do. Now we get to post video every day till the 25th of December or the 31st of December. I will be doing till the 31st of December. I've been posting both shorts, doing like you have to show up daily, for the vlogman challenge. That way it's like you show up daily, you get to use the title vlogmas, day this, day that. You can post different, ideas and I'll be participating. And thanks for joining in. Thank you for watching. I'm really hoping you get to watch to the end of this video. I'm going to be talking about 20 different vlogmas ideas you can film this period, just in case you have not started and you think it's already late. You are not late. You're not late to the party. You can still join in. You can post you can use any of the features of YouTube, live, community, shorts, videos, to participate in the vlogmas challenge. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing 20 different content ideas you can shoot for vlogmas. 20 different ideas you can shoot for vlogmas. The first one on my list is that you can film your decoration process and your craft process. Now, what do I mean by decoration process? Some persons get to go ahead to buy Christmas tree and they'll be decorating that. Now, that whole process where you get to go to the market to buy the products, the tree, or you order for it, get your lightning, get everything, and you're decorating that Christmas tree. You can actually film it, right? Now, when I say film your craft process, some persons they might not get the Christmas tree, but they might decide to do something else. I will be trying out the book idea actually. I'm going to be trying out the book idea later on in the month. I'm going to be trying out the book idea to see what I'm going to come up with, right? That's the craft idea, right? So you can do any of those, film any of those processes and share on your page. The other one is your shopping process. I know some families, a lot of person will be doing shopping in this period. They'll be stocking the house for Christmas, buying Christmas gifts, buying things, clothes, and all of that. That whole process of going to the market, contacting your vendors, chatting with them and all that. You can actually record all of those process and share on your YouTube channel. Another one is your Christmas visits to family and friends. This period, I know a lot of persons will be having to visit their families. Some will travel to the village, some will travel to different countries, some will be traveling to different places. You can record all of that process and as well, share with your audience, right? You can record your Christmas visits, even if you're not going to the village or you're not traveling to another country. Your visit to a friend's house, you can actually record that process and share as your vlog, right? You can share it as one of your contents for Christmas. The fourth one here is your wish list. You can share your wish list for Christmas, right? You can share your wish list for Christmas, and then as you get to achieve any of them, you can tick them off. Record all of that process and share. Did you get? The fifth one here is you can share cooking ideas. If you're a chef and you've been wondering how do you participate, you can do a video where you're talking about cooking ideas. Many people were already used to the regular rice and stew, right, for Christmas. You can share different cooking ideas that people can, get to do for Christmas rather than the regular things that we already know. You can share different ideas, things that you can, you would love to try. You can share with your community, your audience, and let people get to, try them out. The sixth one, am I missing it? Yeah, the sixth one is gift wrapping process. Now, for those who will be having Christmas trees or people who will be giving out gifts to people, in this video, I talked about gift ideas that you can, give out. For those who will be giving out gift items to people, you can actually still record the process of getting your gifts, the wrapping, when you're wrapping the gifts, to either put under the tree or when you're going to be giving out to people. You can record that whole process and also share with your audience. Now, the seventh one on my list is your baking process or your drink making process. This is not just for chefs alone. There are people who will be making drinks for Christmas, you'll be baking for Christmas. That whole process as well. You can record all of that and share. Right, you can record all of your cooking processes, your drink making processes, your what's it called, baking processes, and share. People will really love to see how you, the method and the patterns you are using to make your own things for Christmas. Another one here is the Christmas parties. I know this period there'll be a lot of events that'll be ongoing, right? There'll be a lot of events that'll be ongoing this period. There'll be a lot of weddings and parties that'll be ongoing this period. That whole, when you get to attend those events, you can, record them and then add them up as a clip and then share to your audience. You can, any party you attend, events you attend, you can talk about it more like you're doing a vlog, right? You can talk about the events, the parties, the occasions you get to attend. Another one on my list is you can do a Christmas song, check on the Christmas song playlist section. Now you can get your friends and people can just sit together and do a record where people are singing different Christmas songs. As much as you can remember. It can be even the game actually. It can be even the game. Now that 1 hour period or 2 hours period we're going to be spending together, having fun and recording Christmas songs. You can share that whole process on your channel. You can share that with your YouTube family. Another one is game sections. I already mentioned why I talked about the playlist section. You can have you can have your friends, your people around you come together to play different games, right? Now that whole process still you can share because truth is people will be doing a lot of visitations this period and they might need game ideas, to carry out during their visit. So you can actually do those games and then share that with your YouTube family, and no one can tell who will be helping with that. Another one would be you can record your morning routine for every morning you wake up. You can do a morning routine. You can even do it as a live section instead of sharing as a video. You can do as a live stream rather, and you record your morning routine and share with your YouTube family. You can also record your travel experience for those who will be traveling this period. You can record your travel experience this period during the as in form of a vlog. Another one on the list is Christmas Eve. Yes, Christmas Eve. For me, I'll be attending our Christmas party on the 18th of this month, which is I think next week Wednesday. Sorry. Trust me, I'm going to ensure that I record that because I'm going to be enjoying it. Last year's experience was something else. I'm very sure that I'm going to be enjoying this year's Carol night and I'm going to be recording it. So just like me, you can attend the Carol nights, you can plan to record your Christmas Eve experience and also share that with your audience. Another one on the list will be your declutter experience, right? If you decide that you want to give away some clothing, you can, record that process of bringing out your clothes, sorting them out, checking out the ones that are no longer that are not fit anymore, and arranging them in a way that you can neatly give them out to people. You can declutter your kitchen, you can declutter any part of your house, and then that whole process you can record it and share with your audience. Now, the next one will be you can record you can actually do a recording where you're recommending Christmas Christmas movies for people, right? I'm someone who likes to watch Christmas movies. I think the first one I've watched for this year is Meet Me Next Christmas, right? I enjoy watching a lot of Christmas movies. So if you don't ever can tell them, I mean, people in your audience that are movie lovers like me and will watch it and would like to see a Christmas movie. If you have a list of movies that you have seen in the past that you know they are nice, you can do a video where you're talking about them, recommending them, giving your own rating and all of that. Another one on the list would be you can do a get ready with me video. Get ready with me for church, get ready with me for Christmas, get ready with me for the outing, the attending, get ready with me for my visit. You can do a get ready with me video basically and share. That's an idea that's it will really blow up your channel. Another one can be storytelling video about your memories, your past memories about Christmas. You can share stories from the childhood that you remember and just keep your audience engaged with that. Another one is going to be market runs. Market runs basically can be your day-to-day market experience where you go out to buy things that you be using this period, right? You can share all of that with your audience. The last on my list is New Year resolution. Yes, I think this is old school, right? But the truth is, people still get to do New Year resolutions. Some persons still get to, have this New Year fever where they have to sit down and plan out their goals again and do all of that. You, on the other hand, can really do a video where you explain how people can go about this, how they can set real goals that are realistic and achievable, that are flexible, and all of that. You can actually help people plan for the new year through your video. So, which of these ideas will you be trying out? It's not too late to join the Vlogmas challenge. It's not too late at all. You can join the Vlogmas challenge and see the amount of visibility and growth is going to be given to your channel. So why procrastinate when you can just start up with any of these ideas? I really hope you get value from this video, and I'm really hoping that you'll be able to participate and try out any of these tips that